Good morning, this is Miss Dominy, and I'm going to help walk you through the activity you're going to do in advisory over the next couple of days. This activity is going to center around reflecting on your growth around one of the core competencies related to the graduate vision. It's been a little while since we've talked about the graduate vision, so we're going to do just a quick overview about what that is. Just a reminder that that's a representation of all the different ways that students learn. It's not just facts and figures, but different ways that you become a well-rounded person. One of those competencies involves growth mindset, that by working hard, you can learn to do anything, and that you learn from your mistakes, and that you're curious and you continue to try to do things in different ways. Another competency involves your work around wellness, around making healthy choices to promote your physical, mental, and emotional well-being, which helps you lead a healthy and fulfilled life. Another competency involves your connection with the community, that the neighborhood outside, the world beyond the four walls of the school, and that you are part of something that is bigger than just school and yourself. Also, the idea of building confidence, that you learn to believe in your abilities and that you push yourself to take action towards your goals. There's also the notion of interpersonal skills, that you're able to build strong, positive relationships with other peers, with adults, with family, so that you're able to work effectively as part of a team moving forward. There's also the idea of cultural competence, that you'll build meaningful relationships with people from all different backgrounds, and that you'll have a much better understanding about people who come from different backgrounds and how to interact in a positive and respectful way. There's the notion of self-knowledge, that you will be able to identify your own strengths and your own opportunities for growth. And lastly, this notion of creativity, that you can capitalize on your own innovative and unique challenges and to be able to solve problems flexibly and creatively in a way that makes sense for you. And so all those things together build the graduate vision. So your job over the next couple of days is to select a project, an assignment, or an activity that you feel showcases your growth in one or two of these different areas. So again, there's the idea of mastery of content, or one of these around the outside. So your job is to choose one of these around the outside. There's been a lot of things that have happened since the first quarter of the year. And so what if you can't remember all those things? And so your teachers created a document that you can look at that helps to identify the activities that you've done in a variety of different classes and link to the specific aspects of the graduate vision. So we're going to go ahead and open up the sixth grade version. They've been divided by grade levels, so you'll open up the grade level that corresponds to you. So if you look at that, you'll open it up, and you will see something that looks like this. And so you'll see your language arts social studies in quarter 3. You did something around Greek achievement projects, which identify, according to your teachers, gave you an opportunity to sort of express creativity. If that project doesn't resonate with you and you don't feel like you grew creatively from that, you might pop down and look at math or science, looking at force and motion essay. You might look at your health class where you did work around gratitude and self-esteem that works on self-knowledge or growth mindset. Or in Miss Walsh's class, you did work around felt sculptures, or and that promotes creativity or growth mindset. And then again, there's more things here for quarter 2, so you can just scroll down to sort of jog your memory and look for something that stands out to you. And again, if it's not on the list and you think that it's something that showcases one of these competencies, by all means go ahead and choose that. And then Then what you're going to do is you're going to fill out a document similar to what you did first quarter. This is posted in your advisory Google Classroom. It's posted like an assignment, so there'll be one for each of you in there. And you're going to identify the project or activity that you chose. You're going to describe it. You're going to connect it to one of those Graduate Vision competencies, and you're going to reflect on how that shows your growth. And then once you've finished, you're going to upload that into Xello. So I'm going to go ahead and open that document and show you what that looks like. So again, you're going to choose one project or assignment that showcases one of these aspects of the Graduate Vision. You're going to describe that project that you completed. And again, there's links to each of the different grade levels if you can't find those. So you're going to identify the project or experience that I completed was. If you decided to choose something that you did in art class, you might describe that here. And then describe during the project or experience. So you'll describe a little bit about the project and what you did with that or the assignment. And then the second part here showcases how did this experience or project help you develop that Graduate Vision skill. So you're going to identify the Graduate Vision skill, be it creativity or cultural competence or interpersonal or growth mindset, and the ways that you've improved in that area and the evidence that you have that shows how you improved. So I know that I improved because if maybe it's something in wellness, because I improved in my PACER test, or my writing has gotten a lot better and I can see that I'm now able to do this. I have more confidence in an area, whatever it is that lets you know why it is that you feel like you've improved. Once you're finished with that, again, we're going to go ahead and upload that to Xello. Don't worry about that now. There is a link in Google Classroom that reminds you how to do that once you're done. So again, you're going to choose something that relates to one of these Graduate Vision competencies and then reflect on how that work goes. And that is your job with the remainder of today and tomorrow. And then once you're finished, you will go ahead and upload that into Xello. If you have any questions, ask your advisory teacher or another adult, and I wish you the very best with this. Thanks much. Take care and have a great day.